Hello. My name is Kashan, and in today's video, we're attempting CompTIA's Plus 1201 10.1.4 lab. Select and install a printer. Apologies for the lack of commentary, I'm in a quiet place right now and cannot provide one. If you have questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you, and have a great day. 10.1.4 lab. Select and install a printer. You are one of the IT administrators for a corporate network. You have been asked to install a new laser printer in Office 2. In this lab, your task is to add the laser printer to the workspace. Use a data cable to connect the printer to the computer. Use a power cable to connect the printer to the wall outlet.